accident wey don't just happen now so for Tiko Douala Road country people them. Panje Manfred die we be there on top of Okada with one of the picking them. What happened be said so some Ngongoro for CDC Cameroon Development Corporation again. Where they say jam the park kill for that side after toll gate or around place of toll gate there for Tiko Douala Road then we don't do all things to take over to that side the place where they call them. Say they so brigade de Tiko and the commandant of the brigade don't explain at all for the image the way they so Mukubero they bring now for we soon our youngest chief for Bekura. It happened be say this will now get them all inside country people then will tell now about accident for breach the way some red motor they enter almost enter inside Vuri water them na fukona brigade for this man call and say kwa mbese that play with this on Kunkuma we go put foundation stone for new bridge for Vuri they will tell now about how we this prevention routière. Yes, they do it. They cause trouble for us side for prayer and say mantem for Melon Road Day country people then. Then we'll entertain now about what happened for Douala here where they catch this fake whiskey, fake champagne, fake shivas, fake outing. Where they catch them inside Aqua here country people tell now. Plenty of that people the way they show them for Jamie Day. Any man know all that bracket. The any man talks you know they sabi something. Who sabi? Who do ever accept say AB bracket country people and they are placed there for New Bell prison. New Bell will now so they proceed. Yes, they leave all that prisoner the way they so Nkunkuma be signed books they leave them presidential grace for this country people. Take on go Banga Pongo and Banga Pongo talk about them Fomecha na special with mass Fomecha village for that side for Hong Kong Bafang. The woman decide say instead for work about go souleve. They better block road for fixed road where they enter for Fomecha other country people. They will see corner for it mass. And then Monsieur le Maire Esama. Monsieur le Maire Esama is being married for two crazy people them. One crazy man and one crazy woman. Crazy woman and Aisha. Crazy man, so they make married for one crazy man and one crazy woman. Na special to where they call and say this so mariage with Mars na Monsieur le Maire Esamadu. And country people are doing a big salute. This one a pigeon TV news. Equinox television with Mieze. Ekuleku Oboy Toride. A big saloon I come good again for that side country people then. As I talk about them for here, make us start with same story for today. Head way over big. Enough it does blow. Same story for today. Head way over big. No fit dodge blow. Head way over big. No fit dodge blow. Roman Jokas, Motel Kumba, they talk about us in original Kumba. Making where they prepare in a number 4 day for next month, they move that their body for brother. Slave work keeping for us, so Chang Day, then number 5 day they go bury for Fontaine country people there. Inside the matter now, so supporting us to talk come from you, or they talk about and say this issue them Dr. Pascal Kamga. We're not to enough for toxicity. Say to for today, not for today. And for today country, people then with this one so accident. Not true, say Mukubero bede for road they come back now around Bekoko they come back with that accident for toll get this country people then. Not true too, say accident happen for Vuri Bridge and like this. Wonderful matter. I said the motor takes time. How you do it? So they go enter that level so. Question asked must be answered country people. Look up. Wonderful matter is so contributed. Wonderful matters na get so. Look what you have today. Can't get issue them. See am? Jam so. I say we put see the motor me na motor for commandant Kwambe say no na yi. Na yi the one na. So that one way on a clan be make na wait you. Ain't no be the grass them we don't turn bush. Una fi see the motor don't enter one time. Na for inside Vuri River. Vuri River for this so for the chapter and Palava. We don't hear they talk about on this chapter and so. Talk about road. I see the one they call and say prevention routière. Cause trouble too. Another trouble again for the very place for Mantem. Mantem, for that side for Melon Konsamba High Road. Question asked. Una must stand for the, for cause the very trouble must be answered time and just for this country. Now this one get Mantem Road, look at. Jandam can't try to do all in the singam. I said Jandam try to do all in the singam. For the matter so. Look at. Wonderful matter. Where they so they don't put S. S is boss my tire for motor. They put and say, okay, we go block out in look at. As he put the stone for block road, gendarme ne can't move up. He said, mon adjudant, vous allez, hein? Vous allez, look at. For that side to contribute. Wonderful thing. So now we block road for them and leave a motor and pass the same gang. Anything the matter to now, tell me what way, you have to look at. They go now, the man will carry stone again, put them back for road. Then, mon adjudant will come back. As he talk, he sit down and turn her own. Carry that stone, put it again. I can put that stone again very fast before I want to say the matter too. Say this mon adjudant. Say, come over there. Yeah. Say, now do. Et do it. Allez, carry him. Come put that book. Commandant, catch him again. Mon adjudant. Voila. Yo. That's how they happen for the level for the matter so country people them. Trouble way they happen place we can see this so for highway road for this so country people them. Una want you happen with there. How will it take place? When I talk, I remember say this one, me at the fabricate. You know, so big I say, una must hear people the way na actor themselves for that one. Actor with the shape bank. Una hear them.
Non, ça c'est quoi? Arrangez-vous à normaliser pour qu'on circule. Quand les autres sont en train de barrer, je vais essayer de barrer.
Vous êtes là pour quoi? Ils arrivent.
C'est de faire en sorte que les...
C'est simple. Parce que depuis aujourd'hui, les gens...
Ça n'a pas de problème.
Si vous voulez le voir, il faut aller le trouver à la main.
On les fait fuir.
Non, ça c'est quoi? Arrangez-vous à normaliser pour qu'on circule.
Quand les autres sont en train de barrer, je vais essayer de barrer.
Vous êtes là pour quoi?
Non, ça c'est quoi?
On a resté vous ici. Now for Mantem, for Melon Road, the number 2 incident this will show for Nassau, where they happen inside 1 week. Even if not the very one, I beg, what's that problem? Oba, I don't tell you now. Men man no go buy whiskey again for Douala Bar talk say they so you don't buy whiskey and say now low popo now original a lie. Whiskey for Douala Bar and whiskey for Mopi now l'original du faux. Abe, le faux tu dois intercept pour champagne, hein? Chef pour Chivas donc le faux. The only thing, Matango sep donc le faux, non? Tu as des carrés Matango quand mélanger, put candastic for it, na le faux. Sep Wata, Ndiba sep donc le faux. Ouais. À ce commandant me file de catch ici. Now wow. La first part, yes. Hey, Luca. Obeka again was I say commandant me file de la France soute. Luca. Papa bo. As ici un carton d'origine. De ces Camerounais them pass out for ici un. Hey, 18 ans d'âge. Massaï. When Alain Zingi put one so, il sait j'ai montré la fille là que Luca. C'est mouette. Champagne mouette. Chivas. Hey! Coco. De que sous tes timbres, timbre scellé, de que hoti. Cancan one, carton d'origine, bouteille d'origine. Hoti for day! Peña. De que even tivo coca. De que sep tivo coca for this to contribute. Look at grants. Lucien, Chivas. BB one them. Second point, I play with this delegate for commerce. He said, what can look at so? He said, yes. Cameroon una Trump. Hey! And they get timbre, that seal for seal up. Get sellotape, ban collant. They get to this other one to collant, say this so gum for goma. Like this. Hey! Obeluka. See, I say carton d'origine, they get hot. Now, I want to show, they get some people will say, imprimerie when they fix them for them. Mouette. Ah, yeah. Master. Eh? You see, hein? C'est on a quand doté Angel avec un carré de waka utagota. C'est un longueur original. That is. When a kerosene, you drink so your belesta bite. Eh? Your belesta bite. Wonderful. Carton, you see, hein? Hey, I say bouchon d'origine, Otin. Yes. Otin, scissors dédé, gomme tout dédé. You know that? We command me feel all of France, but say, hey! I mean, I say, faux, bien, for boya and limbe. Better phone over here. Look at. Yeah! Come to put them. Yes. Chineke Messioku. Hurry lebusu. Right. Out in the day. Show series so. Now wonderful. Now really wonderful for the contribute. Now don't say. Now, I beg I see the one Mukube carry and bring up. Muno only limit for how they don't see him. Because if you see and so, down a Tongo, they give small thing for Kamambru. Kamambru say, okay, on te pas là. Maintenant, Kamambru they say, we will carry and go ta. But they never tell you sa destination finale day. They don't only carry and come out for day for front camera. The other one not for front camera until they will call we say, we can't see away, we can't film away the bonner. Like this. Like this. Like this. Et des autres, come. Look at. A délégué that. Délégué en blanc. Yes, in name, this is Simon Bellinger. For this to contribute. Soutenir les au Canada all. Now, around that place, faut qu'on a ancien. Look at. Around that place, faut back, qu'on a ancien. This qu'on a Texaco port. For qu'on a American Linguistic Center. Il y a eu des au Canada all. Le Canada, commissaire d'Indédé. Put un seul moutou. Assez de charger. Ah yeah, oh boy. I say if you just light matches for this or briquet, all that play go burn. All that play go burn, c'est pas ça où le marché Congo used to burn. Look at. Carry on, allez. All the whole company for Molo. Oh boy. They didn't make us they put self I say paper for supermarché for they will talk say so. Now for you they go come out time. Yes. Hey, unatron. Wonderful. I said they make us they put. Now, commandant the Jamie that they make us they put etiquette for. They make us they put etiquette for this is what I call and say so big supermarket. Yes. I said Moya. Wonderful. Oh, but he won't be said that first black way they catch a show for yesterday. You know, say no man, any man is thief. He never to say another thief. I don't be there. They just call me and call and put inside that group. They say I take the back hole. I don't say gun the inside. They give me some paper. So I feel say Jama they say I don't know say that strong Jama. Okay, black when I told you yesterday, they don't give you a parole. Now we don't give you a parole. We not talk. Wait till sabi about this cool commandant me feel and all the other one can catch una so contribute them. When I hear the way they talk, all man talk, man no one for talk, I know.
Vous prenez les armes où?
Les armes ne m'appartiennent pas.
Vous prenez où?
Je n'ai pas d'armes. Quand il va faire ses coups, il m'appelle, je l'envoie un chauffeur.
Les armes sont
Je n'ai pas d'armes, j'ai dit ça plusieurs fois. Même le sac dans lequel on a pris les armes, c'est son sac. La bandolière, ça l'appartient.
Mais il dit que c'est toi.
Et plusieurs personnes peuvent témoigner dans le quartier, il marche constamment avec.
Il vous a dit de faire quoi?
Il m'a dit que Yannick a demandé que tu prennes le sac qui a enroulé la banderille, tu peux garder. Je n'ai pas vu le contenu de ça. C'est quand il n'a pas montré le sac au chef, comme on me dit qu'il y a les armes dedans, il ne connaissait pas.
Tu allais cacher les armes dans l'eau?
Chef, je ne connaissais pas, je n'ai même pas vu à l'heure où on les a arrêtés.
Pourquoi tu n'as pas dit à la police quand la police t'a interrogé?
C'est moi qui vous ai... Parce que vous m'avez frustré, chef, c'est moi qui vous ai encore amené, qu'on m'a donné un sac d'aller garder, je ne connais pas le contenu, c'est moi qui vous ai amené où il y avait le sac.
Est-ce que c'était de ton propre gré?
Si, chef, puisque c'est moi qui suis venu vous parler, c'était de mon propre gré.
Vous avez perquisitionné ma maison de fond en comble. Vous n'avez pas trouvé l'arme chez moi. Je vous en prie. Oui, elle dit que l'arme est gardée chez moi, mais c'est arrivé au commissariat à 20h que je connais que l'arme était chez moi. Vous n'avez pas trouvé d'arme chez moi. C'est clair. Soyons francs, vous n'avez pas trouvé d'arme. Donc il n'y a pas de preuve que les armes étaient chez moi.
Yes, that woman Trump. You see, chanceling la douce for daytime. Chanceling la dure for night. Hein? Je ne sais où vous avez la preuve. Preuve prouvée. Chanceline la douce pour des temps. Chanceline la dure pour net. Oh boy, I'll take unana go for Banga Pongo. Yes, I show now electric pole for on top person. Now so I want show unana how we road for the Now still dry see rain never start for plenty. But time rain go start for plenty, it go be nangrebu. Now this. Look up. I say for Banga Pongo they for pass today from Fokomo Trades go down. And the bat na bad for that side to contribute. When I went to that for day, look at any man one pass Mogi small thing, me they take and buy Sansan to road. They say Monsieur le maire tattoo for dollar troisième. When they call it say covenant job. If we talk say if priority na for fixed road for dollar troisième. The question asks, Monsieur le maire na road they need for dollar troisième. Say for that side we cité de bi, cité belge. C'était belge, all that to have to say fix road. Now, on start to menace journalism for Equinox. Say they no one level na walk. Level na walk out. Level na walk out. Now what? Now road that. Now use na 10 years. After I say the name why not mandat pour compléter. Hein? Now this. Look what it happen today. When a population come out Chapier. Now population come out Chapier. For that side to contribute. Look what it going to take place. Look what it happen for that side as no get. Ask person, make it tell we. Now what be the thing way this one I do for road day. Una hear thing way this perica it talk. Perica tell we more here.
This catching on my quarter, Monsieur le maire don't fish wood, you for fish wood. But all the people from my home I know since Monsieur le maire don't make before nobody reach more here. That was the fifth place so. Now all picking for that quarter don't come out say it go fish them. But all camion they enter, they give 1,000 before we will make collection. We will go buy Sansan, we go to for route. Before we do fish them some one place, but time range fall, so man no fit pass fan for here. Now for that thing all picking for quarter don't they say we go walk that route. Monsieur le maire don't forget that people will Pongo bed. I never know people will Pongo never know thing don't make for Monsieur le maire before don't fix some route reach for Monsieur le maire turn back. But we don't vote Monsieur le maire na 100% for Pongo. But you don't forget Pongo today. But some man never know that all traffic talk. Say go na forget Pongo.
We don't fix chose Banga Pongo, we don't vote Monsieur le maire for 100% for Banga Pongo. They want to do it, they don't vote. For you say Bafa and Honka. Now woman never form a chat. Form a chat. Now you can't have a Bafa and they contribute them. Now for the woman and talk say, they not go tie rapper for wind mass, go make souleve. You tell they go souleve, na their route. They block them for fixer. Now this. Hey! Oh, Nadine Yambo. You answer for person where say, Hunga muhangungo mumbi. Now for me chat. I say, they wrote this. So who man come on now? He said, no. How we live up? If we master they know the work. If we begin another work, we say if you work. With mass for we have a fixed road. Road for pass go for me chat. Any man pick a pass for here, saying San Colo for this to contribute. Instead the matter so can get in national get. Look up, they say the digger, say they will cover that route. Then say the digger, say they will fix that route now. Road for Formecha. For this to contribute. Formecha. Now that woman is safe now. The digger. Look here. They say they will fix that road. Road for Formecha. Carry say give for back. See ya. Carry on. All thing. Fix their road. Say road must fine. Road. I say they damage. I say. See ya. That they say fair. In Ghana, I say only proclaim. We can't fix the road. We can't finish them, smash them all. That chapter so they block and they say no, they go do all things. The road go fine. Say the road, it must find their own with mass that. Now their own with mass that too for that place to contribute. You see for Yemcha. City the for Yemcha. Ah, I don't pronounce it. Foyemcha. Fomencha. Foyencha. Okay. How did thing take happen? Where with mass, when no one goes to leve, when one can't fix na route. When I hear to they talk for microphone for Andy Nganu, when I hear.
On n'a qu'un jour. Le lendemain, on va encore faire cela. On n'a qu'un jour, donc on doit faire jusqu'à limiter. On ne doit pas faire jusqu'à oublier qu'il y a que le mari demande, c'est le mari qui va te parler. Jamais.
Parce que quand nous abusons, on risque d'éteindre la fête. Fait-on normalement. À certaines heures, on rentre à la maison. On ne fait pas 2-3 jours dehors, disant qu'on est en train de fêter le 8 mars. Non.
À Foyemcha, nous avons mobilisé les femmes pour le 8 mars. Parce que nous avons des problèmes pour rembler cette route. Pardon, nous supplions tous les élites de Foyemcha, pardon, de nous donner coup de main jusqu'à Fomopiet, tous les buteurs sur cette route. Nos marchandises, ça ne passe pas à cause de cette route.
From Foyemcha, go to Fomumpet. Foyemcha, go to Fomumpet. Route no day. So now they are on with mass that. He want to say other woman they want dance kole and sere with him Masayo. For this play with a match for yeso. Place de l'Udiac. Now they on kona with mass that to contribute to make. Look at other one don't come don't tire they should don't. Other one they move car for back boot. Other one they should not use na fan them skin. Yeah, she don't so got out over the dirty pass mark. Other move say shoe for foot. I say Karangwa the crash for foot. Jika, c'est les chic. Crash for foot. Hey, you crash backside. Now come no go. Only what also contribute. As we get look. See, anyone she don't talk their own. They turn their own. Don't tire. They do half for they contribute. They don't tire. I see happen. See how it contribute today. Or then she don't. Happy, joyous you. Only level so contribute them. I see happen. So when they be there with their shoes, they all can grip with them, all things come up for them. The way they will do how? Now with Mars. With Mars. Hey this. Hey! Oh boy! They get money for buy kaba for eat Mars, Sanja. They don't get money for buy shoes. They want to move your own. Hold on for hand the worker. Can't chaka them for eat Mars. Money na for buy rapper, eh? For buy pine the wheat mask, no na for buy chaussure the wheat mask. By the way, chaussure the wheat mask no day. Look at wheat mask. Jupe the wheat mask. You want to jupe the wheat mask. Now skate there for wheat mask. Aha! Huh! That means my for them plenty, eh? My for them plenty. Look at. Other one again, I own of a talk. Should all spread again with talk, me talk fixer. Sude chaussure sude. Woman in there in a paparazzi for wheat mass. They wear their own clothes na white man woman them. Wear their own clothes for wheat mass. Paparazzi they be plenty for the day. Ladies. Photograph in the day. Photographer in the day. I say, look at. Wheat mass for what man? Wheat mass for what man? When they happy say don't snap on a picture. The one they don't get money for buy clothes with mask, I beg. When I for make them SOS, they don't get money for buy clothes with mask. Look, see paparazzi for with mask. For see who said they dance souleve. Même si c'est ingribu, naso. They look. Voilà, naso. Set top si banana then chop. Now with mass. Yeah? Okay, you want a sanga? Azero. Sanga. So what is in a wheat mass for Jesus? Wheat mass for Jesus. That one, we no go over talk about that. We want to say we could see him that's so. See him that's so wheat mass for Jesus. Ladies. Amen, oh, amen. So for 8 mars. So for 8 mars. Monsieur le maire spécial. Et John Marriott. Married for Christmas. Anna, Chris woman. No be a debayo where he only bombarded. This one they go from Monsieur le maire. Eh? But the woman go talk say we. He accept. But the master go talk on some kind talk. Monsieur le maire, où? Like this.
Je rappelle que nous sommes ici en train d'assister au mariage de monsieur et madame Gassa. Madame Gassa Aïssatou a accepté de prendre pour époux monsieur Gassa ici présent. Est-ce que c'est vrai? C'est vrai. Monsieur Gassa, c'est vrai. Vous avez accepté de prendre pour épouse madame Gassa Aïssatou ici présente. Est-ce que c'est vrai?
Bonjour, bien papa d'abord le matin. Là, c'est le respect de l'amour.
Puis vous devez soulever cette fleur et vous regardez dans les yeux. Regardez dans les yeux. Voilà, embrassez-vous. Oui, c'est une seule fleur pour vous deux. Voilà. Gassa a quitté ses parents. Il est venu retrouver Aïssatou. Aïssatou a quitté ses parents. Il est venu retrouver Gassa. Fait la monnaie. Voilà.
So, and some talk say, make and so for white man say, even crazy people them, when they say their head no the correct, no they select, they submit different between man and woman. No if you go turn homo. Man picking chops out to man picking, woman chops out to woman. Say crazy people they sabi say they give for duty way, they give for happen, contribute them. Now, celebration with Monsieur le maire et Sam. Ladies.
Vous avez décidé de vous unir jusqu'à la mort. Si c'est vrai, embrassez-vous encore. Si la bouche maintenant.
Bisous, bisous.
Voilà, bisous.
Now this is one that we get on phone now. The number one recording. 22642984. 22642984. We'll get many more for giving a contribution. Equinox Television get plenty. La chaîne du peuple. Autre idée pour le peuple de Guian Founa. Marc Chide Bamenda y engineer mon. Yes. Fondu de get Titanic, Eric for Titanic photos on do. When they now they look we all money laugh on do the chop for Vulcan and got me for Angela. Yes. Magic Touch and all the staff members and for staff room for Muyuka they contribute. We talk to this for Boyade de Jato de Davidson my mode Victoria they contribute them. And as they talk about and say the matter, so thank you na Prince Ogara line. Sir Baker Doctor, thank you. Thank you to JP Shuniat. Thank you, Alain Zingi Azet for the yes. All man, the food said, look, we fidelity to them, contribute to them, we get to various for technical side. If anyhow we did, if we not see my back, now you say, my belly for front.